Okay, attention wholesalers, buyers, dealers. If you want to find a rare spot to pull inventory from, look no further than Purr.ca. So Purr is a collection of private sellers and dealers all listing their vehicles for sale on one platform. So you go to Purr.ca, Purr.ca, click buy, and then just enter your location. So if, let's just say you're in the Toronto area, and then just go browse vehicles. And now if you're within the Toronto area, it will populate newest. No, we want to go to the closest first. So we're saying that we're in Toronto. And now the local vehicles will pop up. So if you're in Red Deer, Alberta, if you're in Ottawa, if you're in Edmonton, Calgary, Waterloo, you just put in the location and then you can find a list of private seller and dealer inventory sitting right on the lot. So all these are live for sale. You'll be able to see, as you can see here, if there's an offer on the vehicle. But if there's an offer, you can come in and make your own offer on the vehicle. So you just come in, make an offer. So you can go through and just make a bunch of offers on vehicles. And the seller, the private seller, or the dealer on the other end will be able to accept, reject, or counter the offer. So it makes it very simple and user-friendly for you to make offers on multiple vehicles. If you are a wholesaler or looking to buy many vehicles, if you're a dealer looking to buy many vehicles, and then you just browse through. If you want, you can watch the vehicle by just hitting that save button. And you can have an account where you can log information, follow specific vehicles. You can share it with other people. You can filter on the left-hand side. But the beauty with these, every vehicle on the platform, you'll be able to see the inspection. So if you come in, you can see the overall quick snapshot of the inspection, or you can go to the full inspection report, and then you can go in and see. So if you're going to make a bid on a vehicle, you now know the overall condition of the vehicle inside and out, mixed with all the pictures. Plus you have a dealership backing it. So this is a private seller vehicle. It may have decals on the vehicle, but when you negotiate directly with the private seller if that's who's selling the vehicle and not the dealership. So you circumvent the dealership and deal directly with the private seller if it's a private seller vehicle. If it's a dealer vehicle, then you negotiate directly with the dealer, but through the app. So you're not sitting across the desk and having to go through that. So it's hands off. You can bid from anywhere in the world, and it's very simple. So check it out, Purr.ca. New inventory is going up daily, both private seller and dealer inventory. This is the new spot to find fresh inventory that you won't find anywhere else. So check it out today.